If you are a beginner, then watch out every conversation to learn 5 things. Number 1, basic grammar. Number 2, spelling. Number 3, vocabulary. Number 4, pronunciation. And number 5, perfect sentence making. These 5 things will boost or improve your confidence, and confidence will improve your speaking level. Watch conversation, learn 5 things, build confidence, improve speaking skills. Lesson 36. I need to do laundry. Hi Anna, come in. Wow, your apartment is a mess. I know. I didn't have time to put things away before you got here. Look. Are those all your clothes on the couch? Yes. Are they clean? Actually, most of them are dirty. I haven't done laundry in a while. I usually wait until I can do it at my parents' house, my sister, and I usually go to the laundromat down the street. Why don't you go there? I know I should, but that place isn't very convenient. You have to wait for a long time. Yes, I know. I have to do it every week. Anyway, are you ready to go? No, I'm not ready yet. I still have to brush my teeth and wash my face. Can you wait for a few minutes? Okay, but please hurry. I think the restaurant is closing soon. Lesson 37. Finding a convenience store. Pam, where's the closest ATM? It's not that far. Do you see that yellow building over there? The big one or the small one? The big one. Yes. It's right next to it, on the right. Do you know if there's a convenience store around here? I don't think there's one around here. The closest one is on 3rd Street, but that's probably closed now. I really need to get some things before I leave. Well, you could go down to 22nd Street. There are a lot of stores down there that are open 24 hours a day. Can I take the subway to get there? Yes, but that'll probably take about half an hour. You should just take a cab. Won't that be expensive? No. From here I think it's only about $5. Lesson 38. Geography and Direction. Professor, where's Canada? Canada is north of here. Can you show me on the map? Sure. Look here. Canada is north of the United States. Oh, I see. Where's Mexico? Mexico is south of the United States. How about Connecticut? Where's that? Connecticut is east of New York. What state is west of Pennsylvania? Ohio. Okay, where's Los Angeles? Los Angeles is in California. It's southeast of San Francisco. Where's Boston? Boston is in the northeast part of the country.